Alright. Here we go. All behind and stuff. Hang on. Let's see. Here we go. Alright, that's on. Okay. Games loading up. What do we got on our to-do list? Some bugs. Save player completion times and scoreboard completion times. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of coding today. Alright, that's cool. We can do that. Right. City level building for LibFX. Just reading. Clean up topography. Collision detection. This is gonna be. I gotta fix this. Okay, so save player completion times. So it's gonna be a couple things. Let's see. Okay, so let's go to the first level of the sewer and kind of like use this as our template. Where is everything? Here we go. Okay. So our puzzle manager should have the stuff in it. Level manager? Oh, hang on. Puzzle manager. Tutorial prompter, points collector. Yeah, neither of these is... Hang on, I gotta turn this down. This is way too loud for me. It's already as low as it's gonna get. Alright, well I guess I'm turning this down. Okay. The level manager is the thing that has the time trial. So the time trial script needs to be basically in every level because this is the thing that keeps the time. Now we need this to reference to the thing that saves the game, or like says game complete. Return current time. So this is the current time right here. Update string timer comes here. So I do get a timer here. I need to send this to the finish line when the player finishes the level. So let me see if I can get that. Dang, I have a lot of scripts open. Close all of these. Oh my god, how many do I have open? Is that it? Are you done? Save system. I need that. I need that to be open. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so at the finish line, I go to the game manager. So the game manager is going to be the thing that saves. So maybe instead I need to go to, well, I need, if level complete, timer minus time delta. Hang on. Okay, so here it is, on trigger enter. So whenever I enter, I need to first of all tell the game to stop counting. Heyo, welcome back. So whenever I enter the finish line, tell the game to stop counting. So tell timer to stop, or alternatively, just grab the timer value and turn timer UI off. I could do that. This might be okay. Tell timer to stop. So there's two things I could do. I could tell the timer to stop, record time, grab timer value, turn timer UI off. I could do that, and then send timer value to game manager to be updated. Game manager complete level manager index. I gotta go look at the game manager. I gotta see what it's like, what it looks like. So it's a script, game manager. Okay, so game manager has levels, level selectors. I need a hide an inspector because I don't want this to be visible. So we're gonna go hide the inspector, public float array, and we're gonna call this records. Just records. Okay. So each level there will be a record. So levels equals new bool count, and then it'll be records equals new float, and it'll be the same size as this, because for every level there's going to be a record associated with it. And not initialize the levels. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So we'll initialize the records. Okay, so initialize the records just like the levels. I equals 0f, so initializing the records, and then we're gonna pull the save data for the records as well, but there's no records in the save data yet, so we're gonna comment this out for now. We're still gonna write it, but we're gonna comment it out and then put it in when we need it. Okay, so for blank 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 records equals data records. Okay, now we have to go manipulate this. So this is the game data. So in addition to this, there's going to be a records, whoops, a public float records. Now we do records is equal to a new float, and it's the same thing as this, same size, just like that. We copy this, records, records. Okay, so game manager, the game manager itself has a public records. Now we can undo this. When we save, every time we save, we update this. And then for this, okay, so this is the game manager's done. If we complete the level, this is where we need to have like a reference to the thing. If we finish the level, so if we finish the level, we need to do something. We need to do this for records as well. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I doing 2 for loops? Hang on. This is very dumb. Records I equals 0f. I was just separating them in my head. Huh? Wait a second. Oh, save system? Hang on. Okay, hang on. So, first off, I'm gonna go ahead and combine these because they can be combined. That just cleans things up a little bit. Come back to the game data, do the same thing. So I don't have to do 2 for loops, only do 1 loop. Much more efficient. If I complete the level, I say records I is going to be equal to something. So this is the time. It's the finish line's time. I'm gonna just type it as a placeholder and leave it there for a second. Okay, save settings, save system, save game this, save system, save game this. For completing the level, you update the records, the delete save, delete level progression. This is more so what I use. Delete player, update. Okay, that's all fine. I'm really more concerned about this right now. What do I use? So game data has been set up. My save system is exactly the same. It's not going to change. I'm only changing what's in the game data and how the game manager handles this stuff. The finish line. Here's my level complete. Game manager complete level, and I pass in the index. I need to also pass in the time. So complete level, so we do float t, and then we say this is equal to t, just like that, and it saves the record. So then we come over here, we put the finish line needs to reference the time trial to get this. Because I need to make this a public. No. This will return the timer. So here's the timer. This is what I need to return. And the thing is, I don't want this. I want this. So, is this timer public? No, it's private. Maybe I do just take the string. That would change. No, I don't want the string because it's going to be much bigger. I want the number, and I can just convert it later. So, let's make this public. Public. Let's hide it in the inspector so I don't see it. Okay, come back here. Our finish line will reference a time trial. Time span, don't need that. Don't need this. My finish line is going to reference that thing. So, time trial timer. Nope. Time trial. Just like that. And then on start, you reference it. Time trial is equal to, let me see if it has it's a level manager item. So reference the level manager and grab the time trial component. Whoops. Here we go. Game object. Level manager dot get component. Oh wait. Oh shoot. I want this. Level manager. Is there a way to get the object? Level manager, hang on. How do I do that reference? There's a way to reference it backwards. So like you reference the game object. Reference game object from component. You need to find the game object that contains a script component. How do I access variables from another script? How do I reference a component? Another game object. I have the component. I have the component. How do I get what game object it's on? You can access the owning game object by using the game object property of your component. So we do level manager dot game object dot get component, and then we do time trial. Does that work? That worked. So I just went backwards from the level manager. Since the I have the level manager, I get its game object, and then I get the component that's on that to get the time trial. Now, from here, on complete, the timer does this. Oh, I don't want to wait around. Okay, I could do this right away. So I don't need to wait around for this. I could do this as soon as I hit the thing. It completes the level and it saves in the timer. And then also plays a victory sound, level complete equals true. And then once level complete, and then this is the like thing that loads the scene. So this will load the scene properly. So then also here we need to pass in something. I'm saving like players when they complete the level, there's a timer, and as the timer ticks down, or the timer goes up, it's like a time trial thing. So it's like, oh, every level can be beat at a certain time, and then you can compare like, oh, I beat my level at this time. I'm trying to get that into the save data so that it saves every single time. Oops, this needs to be private. So that it saves. So when you exit the game, you come back, your times are still saved. So level manager, level index, I need to pass in a timer here. And the time that I need to pass is a time trial time. So time trial dot timer, just like that. And so I'm passing in the float from time trial. So time trial is the thing that counts, and it's keeping track of the time. When you've hit the finish line, it'll tell you what level you completed, and it'll tell you the timer, the current timer. I also need to do something with the time trial to get this to stop updating. So that's actually fairly easy. We do a public float or a public boolean. So I'm gonna hide an inspector, and I'm gonna say public bool. Yeah, it's a time trial. It's a speedrunning thing. That's true. Public bool active equals true, like this. Now we say Okay, now we say right here, if active, then we're gonna do the updating. I do care about this still behaving the way it does. I'm gonna leave this alone. So if it's active, it's counting. So that means on finish line, what we say is, as soon as we finish, we say, what is it? We're gonna say time trial dot active equals false. So we turn the time trial off. We complete the level with our time trial timer included, play a sound, say the level is complete, and then this starts counting to when we'll start loading to the next level. And then obviously we destroy the mesh so that we don't interact with this anymore. That is how we interact. The finish line interacts with the time trial. And then this finish line, it has a game manager complete level function. So this is the game manager complete level function. So here at complete level, we pass in an integer and a float. We tell them what level is complete. We tell them what the record is for that level, the recorded time basically. And then we save this game data. This game data consists of a levels array and a records array now. So I just added the records array. Now, the hard part is going to be figuring out how to get the times and the UI, but this should work, and we should be saving the time data. Now the thing that I don't know, or I'm unsure of, is if the game manager delete stuff is working properly. I have to go over these functions again. Complete level is good. Save game or save settings is good. Delete saves, I believe this is good because it's reinitializing all of the records to 0. And then it says delete save. Where's my save system? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. The save system never changes. Save system is going to stay the way it is. Delete level progression. This is fine because I don't want to... No, it's not. I do need to get rid of this. Let me say this. We have to put that in there. Let's take this out. 0F. Delete player settings, that's fine. Okay, I think the game manager is good. Really, what I'm looking for is whenever I start the levels, there's not going to be a visual change or anything. When I finish a level, the timer will stop at the top. That's what I should be seeing. Now, if that happens, who knows? But the big tell will be if I, go back into the main menu and see the times have stayed. Oh my god. Hang on. Turn that way down. Okay, that's working. I'm gonna turn these up. Okay. That was really loud all of a sudden. I thought I fixed that problem. Oh, I did. Okay. Okay. So there's my timer at the top. Basically, when I finish the level, I should see that timer stop. There it goes. It stopped. Now, the goal is that whenever I come into the other... or I go back to the menu, I should be able to see all my times all together. And I should also be able to see them all on the pause menu. Oh my goodness. Hang on. 18, the timer stops, which is good. Yeah, the prototype doesn't have sensitivity settings, so that needed to be fixed. That already got fixed. Now we have sensitivity settings. And also, in the prototype, the sensitivity was, made or decided based on, the controller. 19501. Okay, go up. So, It was the sensitivity was set with controller in mind, not really anything else. So the timer seems to be working. Whoa! Here we go. 11 seconds. Whoa! Ah, damn. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna die here. Oh, this is so much harder on the mouse and keyboard. No! Okay, well, I'm gonna get my controller now. See if I can beat this level, actually. There we go. Mouse and keyboard sucks. Controller all the way. Okay, so timer seems to be working pretty flawlessly. That last level took me 36 seconds. The levels are going to get longer. Now I can jump. So this is the first level where I have to put the jump tutorial and the dash. These levels look so much better now. Now that they have some stuff in them. Whew, there we go. 10 seconds, nice. Ooh, that's cool. Get up. Nice. 21 seconds. It is satisfying to get the times. Hang on. What? Did I mess something up here? Why am I... Yes, you can jump. You can jump in on these levels. You can't jump in the beginning levels. It's only now that you can jump. You can jump and dash on these levels. Oh, I went too high! You can still dash, baby. Oh shoot, I messed up the spawn on this level. Yeah, something's wrong with the lights here. There we go. Hit the timer, or the checkpoint. That looks cool. I modified these ramps, so now these ramps are better. I can just like speed up to this. Very cool. Down. Oh! Okay, I go here. I can either go there or I can keep going. And there's more stuff back here. I need to add points to this level. I added the props and stuff. And then there's this little jump. Boost pad. Oh, did I take the boost pad? I took the boost pad level out of the sewer level. There we go. Okay, sweet. Okay, timers work. Now, whether or not they're displaying anything is another question. I gotta work on the title menu. So let's look in the game. Let's look at the level select, I guess. Or we could look at the records. I could make just another button that is like the levels. Yeah! I worked really hard on the levels. They start out really boring and blocky and stuff, and then whenever I do the set dressing and add points and stuff, they get a lot better. Or they look a lot better, at least in my opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna make a copy of the level select. And then just go off of that UI. Times. Okay. Let's turn this off. Turn this on. Now, I don't want buttons, I just need text. So I need a grouping. How did I reference these buttons again? I think that red square level selector. Here they are. So I just had this reference, I think it's index. So I'll do the same thing for the timer. Each text will have a reference to a index of the game manager. So edit this script. This looks at the game manager. Looks at the object. And then if it's reset, it does this. So I'm gonna make a copy of this script. All of these. Okay, so let's make a singular button first. Let me just see. So I delete this. I'm gonna delete. What is this? Stage toggle. Delete that. Back and delete save. I'm gonna keep these. I really do not like the level. Thank you. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna get rid of the... I'm gonna fix this UI. It just looks so bad, dude. Copy. Scale. Delete save. Paste. Scale. Now we move these together as together. Let's put them actually on top of each other. Get this fixed. I get better at UI the more I do it, but okay, there we go. Center here. Bring it way down. Okay, the black square thing is not doing it for me. I'm gonna get rid of that black square. Okay, that's done. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here. Let's make an object that will be the timer. So create an empty. Oopsie, that's not right. So this will be a time record. Inside of the time record, there'll be two text objects. UI, text, mesh pro, there'll be two of them. .3D, UI, toolkit, UI, text, mesh pro. Okay, so this text will be level, sewer level 1. Right, this will be zero. This will be a time, so it'll be like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, like that. And this will be sewer 0, 1. And then I'm gonna take this and bring it down. Both of these, they're the same height. but it just seems like they're offset kind of weird. I'm going to center them. Center this one as well. There you go. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Now take both of them. I'm going to change their font to be a little bit different because I do not like the font. Here we go. Nope. This is good. That's not. 001. That's what I want. I think I'm gonna bring the font up. Okay, so this is not working. Instead, I'm gonna take this and scale it. There we go. That's what I want. Now, on the time record, I'm gonna wait a second. What the hell's going on here? This is the thing that gets updated. I don't care about this. This is just a label. This is the actual time. I wonder if I should. I'm gonna take this brick wall, just blacken it a little bit. I need this to reference. So this text object needs a script. Add a component. Time record. Time record. Okay, create and add. Here we go, it's making it. So this script, I'll feed it an index and it'll take care of the rest. So hang on, sorry, I gotta edit it first. I'm gonna make this a prefab likely. So edit this script. This script is gonna be very much like the enable level script. So this right here, game index, private game manager. So like this. So it's literally just gonna be game object component, get component, text, mesh, UI, or GUI. Shoot, hang on, I don't remember what this, text mesh pro, text UI, text mesh pro. What the hell's the component called? Text UI. Right, hang on. On reset, game object component. I gotta just get the friggin' component. What's the component called? Hang on. I know this will help me. I need this first of all. Okay, get that in there. Second, how did I reference that? There it is, Text Mesh Pro GUI. I was right. What the hell? Oh, now it goes. Sorry, hang on. This I don't care about. All I need is this. And also I don't care about this. Or this. Wait, yes I do. Sorry. Okay, I see what you did. Time record level index. Okay, sorry, I just had like a brain fart. There we go. So this right here is going to be dot text is equal to game manager dot records, and then I put in the index or level index. There you go. That did it. float to string. Ah, to string dot to string. There you go. Even better. Now this, I take this and paste it over this. So I get the game manager and I update this. Now, this right here, on the reset, it's going to be this again. Oh shoot, that was not supposed to happen. Copy it. On the reset, you find the game manager and you just set this. No, you don't even need the game manager. I don't care about the game manager. You're just setting the information to 0. Like that. Okay, that's it. Now, I'm pretty confident that this is 0. I should be able to just start this and it'll update. It did not. Ah, I can't even get back there. It's probably because the game manager doesn't have time to load everything. Give me a second. Let me look at the game manager. Yeah, oh, the game, like, it's kind of ambiguous what order these things happen in. So it's like, the assumption is you don't go into the level selector yet. Hey, welcome back. Dabber Gamer's back. Hello, dude, what's going on? The assumption is that the player doesn't go into any of those sub-menus until the game manager has loaded all of its stuff. So starting right here is a mistake. I do need to make another button. So let's go ahead and put this away. Bring my title menu back. Copy the level selector button. And then we'll have it turn the other thing off. Hang on. Let's see what script it's got. Activate level selector. That's not actually what I want. This is not a good button. I don't like that button. This is the button I think I want to use. Canvas controller. Yep. That's a much better button to use. Rename this to time trials. Times. Unreal Engine? No, I do not know how to use Unreal Engine. Never used it. But I could figure it out for sure. Settings. Let's go ahead and mark this as times. Whoa, hello. What's going on? That's cool. Yeah, Unreal Engine is it's a great engine if you can figure it out. I've never personally used it. But crap, hang on. Times. What's blueprints? What's that mean? Times. Why is the font not working? Sister Spray is just going off. DIM. It's like it doesn't have M. You don't know Unreal Blueprints. No, I do not. I don't use Unreal. Damn it. What? Freaking Sister Spray, dude. I love Sister Spray, but like, there's an I right there. Oh, I get it. Times. It has to be in caps. Sister Spray only has caps. There you go. It's visual coding. Well, I mean, I never looked it up. Alright, let's turn on... So we start the game. What I should see is when I hit times... Oh, there we go. That's the float. So now I need to get it to... I need to get the thing that can convert it to a different script. Or to string. No, sorry man, I gotta... I'm on a timeline. I gotta keep working. Game manager. Let's see. Blueprints. Oh, this is I saw somebody using this at a game jam. Yeah, it looks like a bunch of nodes. That's cool. Alright, so from here, I've got my times, it comes up, I need to make it so that it formats correctly. So the formatter is right here, so my update my timer display is a function that I can use. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, copy this. I am going to put it into my time record as a function, right here. And then I'm going to do text is equal to text level index. So this is a float. So what I can do is I can say update timer display, and I can pass in this and it will come out correctly. Nice. Okay, so we go back. We can press play here, and what we should see is that whenever I hit times, I should have like a formatted timer. Yeah, 24 seconds. I completed level 1 in 24 seconds. I should be able to delete this. But yeah, now I can make this for every single level, and I'll get the times for every single level. On event system enable. That didn't work. Oh, it's because I deleted the save. So whenever I deleted the save, it went ahead and deleted this, but this is what will happen. So if I play the game and I play the first level. Let's say we'll try to remember what time I get. So 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. So I should be able to leave here, go to the main menu, go to the times. Ah, didn't work. It should be on awake that this updates. Maybe I'm referencing the wrong index? Hang on. So, game records level index. So let's go to my records, game manager, 0F. Length of level. This should be updating just the same way as the levels. I should see... Oh, level 1 is a special case though, because I think level 1 starts off open. There's something. Hang on, finish line? Where I saw it. There was some logic that I saw that was incorrect. Or, not incorrect, but it was made so that the first level was always true. Game data? Dang it, I don't remember. On awake, this stuff refreshes, and then you load the game. This is the game data, so when I finish the game, time trial deactivates, I complete the level and I pass in the timer. Well man, I don't know if I have time. I have my own projects. Audio source 1, shot true, time trial timer. You pass this into the complete level. Complete level is a game manager script. So here's my complete level. When I pass this in, the record gets that, this gets that. And and I save the game. So save system, save this. When I save the game, it formats everything and puts it into the binary file. Now, on the manager, when I wake up, I load the game, and then I set everything equal. I set all the records equal to what they were before. I equal data records I. Is that right? Data records I. Data records I. Yes, that's correct. Complete level. That's the float I pass in. Now it's the UI that's having a problem. So let's go to the enable. So here it was, okay, if level equals 1 or level index minus 2. Level index minus 2. Why is it level index minus 2? So if my level index, but this doesn't have that. Game manager level index is 0. Update game manager records level index 0. Did I put like an offset in the game manager? No, I didn't. Did I? Child count. Level selector transform child count. Oh, dude, I don't remember. No, this starts from 0. So level 1 should be level 0. Was I? Okay, so I know how to figure this out. We go to the level selector, and we're going to look at... What did I do there? We're going to turn this off. Oh my gosh, I really did mess that up. Hang on. God. Okay, now we turn this off. We're going to turn on the level select, and we're going to look at the buttons and see how they're organized, because they have like relatively the same setup. So this is level index 11. So I did do that. So this is level index 1. This keeps things relatively easy to understand because level index 1 goes to level 1. So I should do the same thing for, I should keep it consistent and do the same thing for times. So we'll turn this off, go to times, click that. Go to my time record. So this is the button that handles it. Level index 1. See, that's why. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this stay consistent, but that means I need to modify this to be level index minus 1 so that it starts at 0. And just remember that that's how I did it. Okay, now I have in my save data level 1's time. It was like 10 seconds. So I should be able to start here, open up times, and see the 10 seconds. There it is, 10 seconds, exactly. I'll delete save. I can see that delete save doesn't change it right away, and that's okay. I can fix that. I just want to see that it goes back to 0 seconds. 0 seconds, awesome. Now, from here, we need to add more buttons. The other thing is like I don't technically want to update the time if the new time is longer. I want to keep shorter times, so like shortest times in general. So 15 seconds should not update, but if I delete my saves, then it will update. Whoa, 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 whoa. This project is ending March 31st. So I'll be moving on to my next project after, wait, January, March, yeah, after March. So April, January, March, April, yep. I have my next project planned out. It's gonna be a small game, but the focus of the learning that I'll be doing for that game is all 3D based. I'm gonna do base or 3D modeling for that game. I'm gonna do my own 3D modeling, and that's the big goal for that next game. The save systems seem to be working. How long have I been? It's been an hour. Okay, I still have more time. Time until March. It's March 31st. That's the final. That's when I'll be done with this project. Oh no. Timer's still going, baby. Days until March 31st. It's the 17th, so like less than 15 days. 13 days. 13 days. It's like 2 weeks. I have like 2 weeks left. Ah! 11 seconds. That's gotta be a record. Alright, here we go. Next project idea. Yeah, I'll, I have an idea for, like, another, like, really short horror game experience. But, I'll talk more about that. Oh, in March. Or after March is over. It's gonna be like a really small experience because I'm gonna do all the 3D modeling for it. So I want the scope of the game to be pretty small. Not crap. So. Oh. 24 seconds. Here we go. There we go. Now this is feeling like more like cool level design. Made it. Follow this thing around. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna make it. Please stop. Relax. Oh, made it. Okay. I messed up this level. I need to fix the spawn. Oh! Let's go. Then I can just go here. Should be good. 27 seconds. With 4 lives. Huh? What? Did I make something give me lives? I think I made the... I think I made the checkpoint give me lives. Okay, alright. So, this will say 15 now, I think. Because it overwrote. So I need to fix that so it doesn't overwrite. Yeah, it says 15 now. Okay, so let's do this. Pass in the game manager for complete level. Complete level. Now, what we do is we say if records I is greater than T, then I record it. Hang on. Sorry. So this is my new time. This is my old time. If my new time is less than my old time, then I record the new time. Or if T or no, if my records I is less than or equal to 0f. So this means if my record hasn't been recorded yet, then I record the new time. Now, if my new record is less than the old record, then I record it. That means if my record is if my new time is greater than my record, it doesn't record. It's greater than, yeah. Or if it's less than or equal to 0, meaning my, yeah, okay, got it. That does it. So let's go try it out. So I'll start this. I'll do my times. I'll delete the save, go back, look at times again, go back, and then I'll stop the game, play again. And what we do is we look at our times, it's 0. Yep, that's game development, man. This is game development, bro. This is how it works. I'm gonna sit and wait for like a long time and let the timer run up. But if you're bored by this, how are you gonna get into the game development? you have to love this stuff. I mean, I guess like when you do your own projects, it's a lot easier to not get bored. But yeah, you come in here and you ask questions about like how to do game development. It's not like I'm doing it's not like I don't play like exciting games or anything. This is what the stream is. It's what real game development looks like. Okay, so 44 seconds. So then we go back, main menu. We look at my times, 45 seconds. It's, you know, not great. And then we go back, and now let's beat it as fast as we can, and we'll see that it updates. Yeah, the game development is pretty technical. Alright, so I did that. Go back to my main menu. Go back to my times. Now I have 9 seconds. I go back, start again. Yeah, I can understand, like, you don't understand what's going on. It can get kind of boring. That makes sense. And then 12. And then we go back. Look at our times. It's still 9. So it cut our time down, but it didn't let our time go back up. Now, we have to fix this. Hang on. So enable levels. It changes all of these to that. Game manager, game object, game component. It doesn't. How did I get that to work? Hang on. This level, or this stream in particular, is going to be highly technical because I'm dealing with save data stuff. Like, there's not a lot of exciting things going on right now. It's not like level design or like enemy AI or anything exciting, but this save data stuff is like integral to how the game behaves and works. It's taken for granted when you don't have like a consistent save, thing. Like, how do I explain that? Like a system that works. Like, just having a system that works, it takes time to get it to behave the way a player is going to expect it to. So you have to take the time to build it correctly. Yeah, it just takes time to understand. There's kind of no way of getting around it. You gotta put in a lot of effort to understand this stuff, I think, sometimes. And it's totally understandable. Like, you can figure it out. Deactivate level selection. Not the back, this one. Delete data, button. Delete data with the button. Delete data button script. What is this? Button on click add listener reset. Okay, so this resets. Get the button component. Get the button on click add listener. Game manager, find game object. On reset, it resets the buttons. It takes the buttons, resets them, and deletes the level progress. So I need this, delete data button. Get the enable level, get object, object, get component, enable level, reset. So I need this for every object. So you get all the buttons, that's fine. So you get all the buttons, you get their enable level, and then you reset them so that they clear. Oh, I see what I did. Okay. Right. So we do something like this again. Oh, wow. This was complicated. I can't believe I wrote it. Sometimes when I go back to my old scripts and I look at them, I'm like, I can't believe I wrote that. Alright. Anyways. Let's go ahead and fix this so that it clears other buttons. I want all this logic, but I want it to be applied to... okay, so that just means I need to write another script. Alright, so is this here, delete data button, and it's on the delete data button? Okay, so that means I'm gonna come... Man, I delete level progression. This is delete level progression. Oh, okay, forget this, dude. I understand. This is what I do. Instead of like having the level select or having a delete data for this, we're just gonna get rid of, like, we're not gonna give the player the option to delete data on this screen. That's it. That's all we do. They don't need to delete the data here. Doesn't matter. Let's go put this different. Oh my gosh. Okay. Weirdness. Let's go ahead and put this 0, 0. Okay, put this back pivot 0.5. 0.5. Okay, now we're centered. Yeah, I mean, if there's parts that you don't understand, you can ask me like what I'm doing, and I can explain it better. I'm not opposed to that. Let's go to my prefabs here. They should all behave the same. Let's go ahead and make a UI folder. Create a folder. And don't be discouraged. I mean, honestly, a lot of what I am doing is just like game design stuff that would be included in all. Like, you learn a lot of this stuff. Like, just knowing how to make a game in general is really helpful. And it's not like there's like one path. Like, learning how to make your first game is going to be very helpful, and you can learn it in any engine. And the thing is like, to make good games, you need UI and you need logic and stuff. And I mean, I bet the visual scripting does that all. It helps out a lot. But I think you get to a point where like you want to make things that are more complicated. I make games on 2D. Yeah, 2D games too. 2D games take lots of logic. I mean, the game that I made for my game jam, that game, this had logic and stuff. So I made a web browser game, and it and this, I made this in 48 hours, and this took logic. I mean, it has UI and stuff. Yeah, this is a game that I made in 48 hours. It's using Unity. It's a bullet hell game. I can use the controller. Here we go. There you go. Alright. Yeah, this, I was really happy with the way this game came out, because I did all the sprite work as well. And this timer up here is one that I used for the other, I used this timer for VelocityRush. So, like, whenever you start making things, this game is very different from VelocityRush, but, like, I still use the same principles, and I still use a lot of the same code and stuff. Ah! Don't hurt me! Get away! They're crazy! Come on! Oh my god, I'm not gonna make it. Get away from me! 4 seconds. My friend Jim did all the music for this. I did the art and a lot of the scripting. My friend Reggie, he was on my team. He did a ton of the scripting. He did a lot of the scripting for the bullet patterns. This was a really big challenge to make this in 48 hours, honestly. Mostly a challenge for me because I've never done, like, animation and sprite work. And so, like, I had to learn that basically from scratch to get to get this stuff made. You know, it's not the best looking, obviously, because it was my first go. But I'm pretty proud of, like, what we all made in 48 hours. Have I ever heard of the Scratch Engine? No, I've never heard of the Scratch Engine. What is that? Yeah! Alright, last level. And so we took a lot of inspiration from just different bullet hells. The theme of the game jam was hang in there. Holy crap, holy crap. Okay, well, I have a minute now to wait. That sucked. Okay, gotta focus up. Gotta lock in. Oh my god. No. I can fit there. Okay, alright, we're good. Woo! Holy crap. I do not want to take any more time. Hang on. Oh my god. Hello, welcome. 20 seconds, baby. Ah! Holy crap. That was too much, dude. 14 seconds. Okay, I'd rather take damage right now. There we go. Alright, and that's the game. So we made that in 48 hours, 3 levels, not so bad. It did take, like, we stayed up, like, super late every single day. Yes, I am. That's actually what the stream is. I'm working on a game right now. This was a game that I made in 48 hours. And so, Google, kinda. Right. So this is what I've been working on for 3 months. And so right now we're doing, I'm doing a timekeeping record. It's this stream, honestly, this stream is really boring because all I'm doing is like save data stuff and like record keeping. So like the game that I'm making is called VelocityRush, and it's like a game where you roll around on a ball. Here, I'll actually show it to you. So let's go ahead and turn this off. You're a marble, so it's kind of like Super Monkey Ball. Right now I'm adding the like high scores and time records to here. So that menu's in production. But the game basically, you start off... Oh, actually, here, let me turn on the music. Just turn this up a little bit. Okay, resume. So, it starts off really easy. These are tutorial levels. All it teaches you is to, like, roll around. It teaches you how to balance. So here's some balancing stuff. Collect points. The game times you. You have lives. Like this. So you balance, collect points. The goal of this game was to learn real-time CSG, learn how to code a save system, get complete controller integration, so I can use any controller, and then just make something unique. I made a horror game before, and now I wanted to make an action game, so now I have, you know, it's more like a platformer action. My friend Jeremy, he made all the music for the game custom. My brother Ethan made some of the art assets, which reminds me I have to put that on my to-do list to put his UI into the game. Oh crap! Okay, good. Almost fell there. Right now, it's kind of a like, oh, I get new abilities as I play the game. So right now all I can do is roll and hit the brake, and then when I hit the city levels, which is coming up soon, I can hit the I can jump and I can dash and stuff. Nice. You can see like this level is like sewer themed. So it's, you know, gross green water, pipes, and trash. Oh my god, don't fall! Up! There we go. This level sucks. And so now we're in the city levels, and so now I can jump, and I can dash around, so I can speed up the game a little bit. Now we have different points in the city levels, so we have, instead of the broken glass bottles, we have sodas, and they make a different sound. Here's like a little tutorial thing. I'm gonna add a tutorial prompter here. There we go. So now I need to use like the dash and the jump and the dash together. Oh, I still fall. You can see that whenever I hit the water, I splash. Ah, don't fall. Okay, there, I made it. I almost died there. And now you start adding verticality to the game. So now I can, being able to jump really unlocks the game a bunch, and it makes it a lot funner. I finished technically 4 games. Oh no! No! Well, I died. Again? Oh my god. Okay. Hang on. We gotta go across here. Oh, I didn't jump! I'm good. I cheated a little bit there. Okay, this level's a little messed up. I had this level... You're supposed to spawn down here. But I was testing it earlier, so I moved the spawn point. if you want to show me your game, you can send it to my email or my itch, and I can review it for you. Yeah, and this is the last level right now. I have to make 10 levels each. Welcome from Romania. That's so cool. 1 minute exactly to finish this level. But yeah, there you go. And so that's the game right now. The prototype is out, which is just a really, it's like an incomplete version of this. This is obviously an incomplete version of this too. Oh, hang on. Ah, there are my times. Nice. Okay, cool. That's exactly what I want to see. So, yeah. You can send me, I think, messages on itch.io. Hang on, let me look. Or you can also follow me on Instagram, and I take messages there. Let me see. I think I can get messages here. But yeah, so here's some of my other games. Cult of the Crow is a horror game that I made. You know, this was a great game. I really love this story. Let's see what else. You can leave comments and stuff on itch.io, I think, but not send messages. This is the prototype for VelocityRush. The prototype, again, like, I wouldn't, like, you can play the prototype. This is my Game Jam game. But I'd say follow me on itch. Itch is a good spot to grab me. Or Instagram. Instagram, it's the same as my username. You can use my username for YouTube or itch and search on Instagram and get a hold of me as well. Alright, let's fix this level. So, I will have 15 levels apiece. So I have to figure out how to get that to look right. Times, I'm gonna need 15 of these. Title menu, turn this off. What kind of game are you making? Sewer 2. Okay, we're gonna group these up into a empty game parent, or into a parent. 3D and 2D, that's cool. How many games have you made? Sewers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just make them all, I guess. 16 games, that's a lot, man. 4 finished. That's awesome. Where do you post your games at? 0, 1, 2. Google Play Store. Okay, that's cool. So you make like Android games? Okay. Gotta fix this. 2, 3, 4. Indie games. Well, no, like what kind of, where do you play on them? Like, where do you play them? Do you play them on, like, on the computer, or do you play them on a phone? Oopsie. These need to be skilled. Just on the phone, yeah. Okay, that's cool, dude. I don't have a lot of Android experience. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. 5. Put this to 5. Move this down. Okay, there, that should be good. So then let's group these together. So I have a group of 5. Let's group these. And then copy this. And then bring this to the right. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, I don't like this. I want to fix this. Dang it. I just realized that this is just a little too big for me. I need to make it smaller by a little bit. Whoa. What happened? Oh, I see. There we go. I just want to make it a little bit more visible. So I think this will be better as the prefab. Hang on. I need to apply the prefabs. So take this. I think this one. Modified component, apply to prefab. Okay, there. Now it's good. Yeah, what's the name of one of your games? And I can look it up on the Play Store. Now I can do this. Actually, get this fixed. 2. Time record. 2. Bring this down. Okay. That's better. I just feel like I felt like oh man, I'm so dumb. I could have just modified the prefab. Well, it's too late now. Time record 3. The rest is gone. One, 2, 3, 4. And this is 4 as well. One, 2, 3, 4. Is the rest is gone? Is that the name of the game? Okay, there we go. So that's good. Let's go and copy this and move it over to the right. No. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy this again. And move this to the right. Just like that. And we take this and move it all to the right. Cool. Where did you send it to me? Let me see. Dude fell asleep. Ooh, I've got 26 minutes. Yeah, I've got about 26 minutes left. Alright, so let me get these all organized. I gotta just double check. Good, good. Yep. Good, good. Good and good. Good and good. That's okay. No worries. This is supposed to be 6, 5, 6. Level index 6. Now we do 7 and 7. 8 and 8. 9. Oopsie. And 9. Hang on. I made a mistake somewhere. 9 and 9. And here it is. This is going to be 10 and 10. These other 5, right now there's only 10 sewer levels. I have to make 5 more, so these need to stay blank. I can't reference something outside, so I'll leave the references as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just playtest and see if it works properly. So let's go ahead and save here. Whoa. Whoa, what? Save. That was weird. Times. Ah, here's all my times. 11 seconds on 1, 17, 16, 6 seconds on 4, 14 seconds, 11:42, 13, 9, 19, 14. Alright, that means that all my times are saving. Great. That's awesome. That's really encouraging. How much money? No, I haven't earned any money. I do this for free. All my games are free. I don't charge for my games. Alright, we should be able to speed up and get new times. Okay. So, basically, I just figured, I'm learning this thing, and I really enjoy making these games in general. If people want to donate, they can, but I don't really ask for money. I do this for fun, and then also, if you guys need, advice or ideas of how to do things, that's what I'm here for too. I just enjoy doing this, so I do it for free. I mean, I anticipate, eventually, I feel like my games will get good enough where I want to charge for them. But right now, these games, I don't feel like they're good enough to charge for. They're all prototypes, and they're all, it's just me learning and making something that I, like. And so I don't really feel like it's a good idea to charge for them. Because I feel like people would, when you pay for something, you're expecting, a really quality product. And my games are, I wouldn't say they're, money worthy, or how would I say that? They're actually going to be quality enough to charge for, I guess. So no money yet. I want to build a reputation first. I think that's more important. Money with ads. I don't run ads. Yeah, I don't have ads. My YouTube channel is small. I don't really have a big following or anything, so. Oh shoot. Alright, here we go. Oh, crap. Ah, so close, dude. Got it. Negative size box colors. I don't have it. Oh, no! Wow. That's new. Man, what the hell? I can't make this jump anymore? There we go. No. I honestly don't want to add, ads like that. It just doesn't make any sense. I want my games to be fun, and I want them to be, games that I would want to play, And ads just ruin the game for me. So, like, I'm not really interested in adding things like that. Like, I want to make the game fun. I don't really care about money. I want to make games that, like, a kid me would have wanted to play. That's pretty much my goal. Up, 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 go, go, go. Ah, no! Dang it. Oh, wait. There's not even... Go through, go through. I made it. There's not even timers for these levels, so I need to get out of here. Oh my god, I really got knocked off! Holy crap, what? I've never been knocked off by these things. Oh my god, dude. I can't get through this level. Why am I doing so bad now? Hang on. Let's get through here. Oh my gosh. No. Not like this. Get out of the way. I made it. Was there a bottle there? Okay, right. So main menu, times. We see new times that are lower. Okay, good. That's all working. Okay, first I need to fix this event system. Event system first selected is back. That's fixed. Okay, so the time system is set up. How much time do I have left? I stopped 30 minutes. Okay. So the time system is set up. I just need to get like the city times in there as well. And then I need to get the no, there's no delete button, so that's good. Yeah, that's good. So I can technically just continue, but I'll eventually have to add like a thing for it. Turn these off. So here's all my levels. This grouping here is technically, this last group here is technically the city levels. So I could just write city. So city 01. Oh wow. Oh, I have a lowercase. Okay, that's good. So this is 10. This is technically index 11. Because the levels, the record exists in an array, and it doesn't stop and differentiate between the different types of levels. So it just is a continuation. So city 02. And this would be 12, I believe. 12. City 03. Maybe I only make 10 levels. I think that's more doable because I'm supposed to make more levels. If I got 5 more city levels, then I could immediately go on to working on the gravity shift part of the game, which I think is going to be really cool. City 04. Because technically the player has a gravity shift ability. I just never introduced it. Oh, hang on. I gotta add some stuff to my to-do list. Add Ethan's tutorial graphics, and then I have to add tutorial prompter to city level 01. Okay, so that you can figure out how to get across. Let's make those normal priority, and then we close this. Right. Now this is city level 5, city 05, and then add, this is 15. So that should be the indexes. So I can take this off. Now I should be able to go to title menu, save, hit play. Yeah, 1 minute. That is right. 37, 17. Okay, everything is working. Awesome, dude. Let's go. Timers are done. I think. Save player completion times. That's complete. Scoreboard for completion times on menu. That is also complete. Now what is next? What do I have to do now? Gotta find something else. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do next time. Boop. Okay. Format paint this. Format paint that. Okay. That's great. Next are the levels. We're gonna cut this down to 5 more city. We're gonna do 10 of each. I think that's more reasonable, and especially with the time that I have left. Let's start with 5 sky levels. 5 sky levels, because I haven't even gotten there yet. The SFX volume, city levels, fix the lips, tutorial graphics, and tutorial prompter. I think this and this are what I'm gonna work on next time. And then maybe the graphics. Let's do these 3 things tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Monday. Holy cow. Alright. That'll have to be it for today. I appreciate everybody new that joined. Thank you for joining this new person. IEO Morin Games. I'll check out your stuff. I appreciate you coming in and talking a bit and hanging out. Anyways, guys, it was nice seeing you. Nice hanging out. Everybody have a good day, good evening, good morning, whichever one you are having. And I will see you. See you in the next one.